Is it time to buy or sell Federal Home Loan Mortgage stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Federal Home Loan Mortgage. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Federal Home Loan Mortgage as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.42. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.35% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 19.57% and positive 17.84%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 425.52%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 335.61% to 518.8% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $34.76 and $49.32. Our latest daily update for Federal Home Loan Mortgage features the headline, Volatile Ride for Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation stock price on Friday, moving between $6.60 and $8.02. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, the Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation stock price gained 20.91%, rising from $6.60 to $7.98. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 21.52%, reaching a low of $6.60 and a high of $8.02. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 23.72% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 3 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $31,970,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.15, while the lowest was $1.04. Currently, the price is 12.79%, or $1.17, below the 52-week high of $9.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. The Trump administration is reportedly advancing plans to take Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac public later this year, with a potential sale of between 5% and 15% of their combined valuation, which is around $500 billion. This initial public offering could raise approximately $30 billion for the federal government. Such significant activity surrounding these mortgage giants could substantially impact FMCC's stock price. In the short term, the anticipation of an initial public offering may lead to heightened investor interest, driving demand for FMCC shares as stakeholders position themselves ahead of the offering. The excitement surrounding a public listing often attracts speculation, which can increase volatility and create opportunities for short-term gains. Longer-term implications may focus on the financial health and operational independence of both companies following the initial public offering. A successful offering could enhance market confidence, allowing Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to expand their financing options and strengthen their role in the housing market, particularly as mortgage rates continue to decline. This could bolster their competitive advantage, influencing their long-term growth projections and, consequently, the value of FMCC shares. Investors will be closely monitoring the developments, as the privatization of these firms could transform the mortgage market landscape for years to come. Analyst ratings on Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned FMCC a underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 17th of June, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned FMCC a underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 26th of February, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned FMCC an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of December, 2022, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned FMCC a market perform grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned the Federal Home Loan Mortgage stock a general neutral rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Federal Home Loan Mortgage. The Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, the overall indication is a sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $6.96 and $7.38. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, also known as MACD. The rising volume alongside the increasing price is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Nevertheless, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, June 26, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 5.79%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 31 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 22 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 86 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 197 days ago. To discover more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for the Federal Home Loan Mortgage. The Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $7.97. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.42 between its high and low, representing a change of 21.52%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.62%. Before we explore the potential favorable trading levels for Federal Home Loan Mortgage, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Federal Home Loan Mortgage. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Federal Home Loan Mortgage is at $7.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Federal Home Loan Mortgage encounters its first support level at $7.97. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Federal Home Loan Mortgage from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Sarnak Milai executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of no securities owned. On the 28th of March, 2025, Parrot Michael made an insider purchase of 0 shares of no securities owned. On the 17th of March, 2025, Holty Bill conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of no securities owned. On the 17th of March, 2025, Kittle Ralph Wade III executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of no securities owned. On the 19th of March, 2025, Fardman David completed an insider buy of 0 shares of no securities owned. Analyzing the 69 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders have purchased 11,670 shares and sold 79,533 shares in these last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.59, reflecting a decline of 4.94%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 30 days ago. Is Federal Home Loan Mortgage stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we anticipate that Federal Home Loan Mortgage will open lower by approximately 447/100ths of a dollar, beginning trading at $7.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.